on.
Yeah, go, yours. Yours, bro.
All right, mate.
Yours, bro.
All right, mate. Oh, I had to get on.
no.
Oh, you're on.
Come on.
Yeah. Are we filming?
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. Oh, it's not bad size, dude.
It's on. Right, please.
All right, folks, welcome back to another episode. From one legend to another, we are joined by the legend. Where are we off to, mate?
Wedge Island.
Wedge Island.
So hopefully this time we really get on.
Session number 2, folks. So as you can see behind us, this time we're not just doing day trips out from Marion Bay. We're actually going to be living, cooking, eating, sleeping, shitting, fishing, everything aboard the mighty big boat. So we're all fully loaded up. We've got 200 litres of fuel in the tank, mate. We've got an extra 60 litres of fuel on board. We've got bait for days. We've got some marks.
Hopefully, yeah.
We've got some ground that we're going to stand up. And conditions, mate, how's it looking?
Mid 10 knots maximum for 3 days straight.
Southeast, as you can see behind us, calm, glass off baby almost. Well, not quite a glass off, but pretty close to. But we're just off Pondalawi here. We're launching off the beach. We're going to punch out wide, suss out a few bits of ground that we've got, sound up, and what is it, 1 o'clock in the afternoon? We'll head out there for a few hours.
Yeah.
Then we'll have a cook up. We'll go in close, we'll anchor up, sleep overnight, and we've got 2.5 rock solid days of epic, hopefully, fishing hookups coming up.
Fingers crossed, yeah.
Kick back, relax. Thanks for joining us on another episode. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, comment below, because we'd always love to hear from you. Legend, let's get out there,
Let's go, mate.
Let's get among it. Yoo! A little bit of red. It'd be nice to see the colour of red. It's not that we're angry.
Another guy.
It's not peeling light because it's a 10,000 Saragossa. So first day today, it'll pretty much be catch and release because we've got like 3 days full fishing. So, oh, what do we got here? Snapper.
Oh,
Is it?
yeah.
Snap, snap.
Yeah, we'll have to let him go.
Have to let him go.
Grab that.
Yep. Woo. Not a bad size. 38.
Oh, more. 45.
45. Show the camera, mate.
Yep.
Good to see the snapper still.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. This was caught on the new Shimano T-Curve, mate.
Yes.
The new two-piece deep jig spinning 200. What is this, P3 is it? T-Curve 1.78 metre, 2-piece.
It's, oh, it's a jigging 200 gram rod.
Yeah, big P3, beautiful.
That's all I need.
I was just saying that with the 10,000 Saragossas, feels really light. All right, well that's a start. That's kind of the more of the coloured species we want, mate.
But Chris just got a big sweep. Biggest one I've seen. Woo!
Check it out. Good size sweep, that one. Let's measure it on the old measuring.
50 centimetre sweep.
50 centimetres sweep. Oh,
Hey, right.
live another day.
You.
The legend
Down.
is on.
On the plastic?
It's been persistent on the plastics. Wasn't getting much, but we moved. First drop. Bang, he's on.
Hopefully it's a nana guy or a kingy or...
Hello. Looks silver. No, red.
Red.
Snap, snap.
Fucking snapper.
Woo! Good size snapper. Oh well, catch and release program, isn't it, mate? This one.
That's it.
Which, let's be honest, first day, we're not keeping anything anyway because we only got so much ice and...
On the plastics, eh? Beautiful.
That's a ripper. Woo! That's got to go 60, 62,
Oh, easy. Let's have a look.
65.
Have a look.
Hold on to the camera, man. Beautiful fish. Just that blue looks sick, eh?
Yeah. Ew. There we go.
60, yeah, 65. Back, hang on.
There.
Yep, 65, yep, on the nose. 65, snap, snap, off you go.
Nice.
Phew, on the soft plastic.
Well done, mate.
Well done. Persistence, bro.
Cheers.
Good on you. All right, day 2. We've just gone out a little bit past Wedge. We had an interesting sleep last night.
Oh yeah.
About 10 wake-ups. The anchor pulled, we drifted. We woke up just in time before we ended up on some rocks. The boat had about 12 metres of anchor, maybe even more, 15 metres. So I shortened it because with the winch, you couldn't release it. It was too much chain by itself automatically, but I don't know, maybe we haven't got enough chain now. The prongs are a bit bent on the anchor, so we'll sort those out. Chriso left the bloody gas cooker in the car, didn't he? So we couldn't cook up our meat that we're looking forward to. So tonight, mate, something special. For the folks at home, we're going to do a beach cook-up.
Hell yeah.
We've got a lighter, we've got pans, we just didn't bring the gas cooker. So we're going to anchor up in the bay tonight and just cook up what we've got, eh?
Do one big feed.
One
Maybe
big
put a
feed.
fish on the fire if we get one.
Cook it all up. So anyway, it's just after 7. We've sounded up. We're going to drop down and get among it. The legend's on. We've just pulled up to some new ground.
Oh yeah.
Whee.
What's the size of that?
Ew.
Whatever it is. Oof. Nice. Oh jeez. Wait at this one. I don't know what it is, eh?
We've just punched out wide. We're like, let's just try and find some ground. Ew. Legend.
Yes, you're the legend. You got us to the spot, mate. Good bloke.
Oh.
And what's the way? And what's the way? You lost your rig on the last drop.
Yeah, I know.
I've done this one. You got to rig up.
I'm nabby.
You.
It's got some good weight to it,
I
eh?
reckon it's close. It's at least like 80, 90 centimetre fish at least. It's gonna be. Whatever it is.
Head shakes?
Yeah. It's probably a big bloody snapper. Little Samson.
What are we?
Double header, is it?
Big snap, is it? Huge snap.
Nice snapper.
Oh.
Oh, that's a big one. Nice. That's a beauty.
Not what we're after. Catch and release.
Done? Size, you reckon?
Not massive, not like yours, mate. Bring him up slowly. The old Saltus needs a service. Oh yeah, that's better. Just taking it easy so it doesn't blow out, whatever it is. Nothing. Was it Nanny? Nanny.
You.
That's better. That's what we're after, folks.
You. Illegal 38.
Yeah. It might just be under, mate. Might just be under this one. Yeah.
He's 34.
He's under. Couple of those, be bigger, be great. Live to fight another day. Look how many dolphins there are. Woo. Hey babies. Yeah, man. Hello. Woo. So many of them. I want to jump in the water, man.
There it is. Nanny! Alright,
Yeah.
that's a nice size nanny. Beautiful. Yeah. You.
We were just motoring along and I sounded up a couple of bigger ones sitting on top of a little bit of a bommy.
Thanks, mate. Are we going to have this one for dinner?
Yeah.
Done.
Yep.
That's dinner for us. And a T-bone steak.
Brainy.
You.
Good eating. Cook it up tonight. Let's measure him. Get you on back on the ground.
Yeah, nice. 4, 53, 53.
When you put your anchor, put everything in.
Nice. Feel like the nanny or a bit bigger, maybe?
Just a bit bigger.
There you go. Pointing towards you now.
Point it up a bit. He's a cool hard, man. So we've officially stepped foot on Wedge Island, and we weren't joking when we said we got to have a cook up because we have no camp cooker. So this is it. This is our tent. No paper, no toilet paper. We got some cardboard, we got some sticks. I brought the windshield for the gas butane cooker, mate, but just not the cooker itself, eh? The legend's gone and collected some firewood. We've got our food all over here ready to go. We're just going to cook it all up and have it in the esky for the next few days. There's the nanny I got. Have a look how beautiful this is in here though. Ooh, little eagly. Don't know if you can see that. Little eagle ray there. How sick is this looking here? It's absolutely stunning. The water clarity is like phenomenal. Just that real turquoise colour. We might have a flick for some flatties through here in the flats once we get the fire going. First though, fire. Let there be fire. Oh, legend. Phew. And we just found this rope and this star picket on the rock there to tie the boat up to. What a backdrop, man. Doesn't get much better, eh?
Yay!
The fireman.
We made a plan, hey? With no gas cooker, so we had to.
We improvised, man, like bushmen.
That's it.
Like the bushmen we are. Alright, I'm gonna go get some more firewood for us anyway, bro.
No worries. Bit of bush cooking.
Bit of bush cooking, mate. Bit of bush tucker.
Oh.
He fishes, he cooks,
Do it all.
he works. Hey, what can't he do? Australia's most eligible bachelor right there, ladies.
Yeah, right.
Right there. Oh man, what a backdrop, eh?
Pretty good, isn't it? I think we're cooking enough meat for about 10 people though.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter.
We do eat for probably 10 people though, mate, we can. We're just saying before, it's probably good that we are cooking it all up because instead of having to pull up and cook up whilst we're out in the water, we'll get more time in the water now because everything's cooked up. We just got to serve it up.
Yeah.
That's it, man.
Yeah.
Yo. Well, the boat's coming, moored in for the night. We're going to go out there on Dusky, about 5 clicks out, see if there's any tuna busting up.
Yeah, you still on? Yep, good. Good, alright. Off. Oh, bugger, double hook up. Went through the school. We know where they're at now. This goes on. Hopefully some tuna. Nice. Yeah, that's nice. That's what we want to hear. Beautiful. What are we doing if we land it? Catch and release?
Catch and release it.
Yeah. No. Oh.
Swimming up towards me.
Pretty quick.
Swimming towards me.
Alright. I might just clip this on here.
Yeah.
Clip it on. It's starting to knock around the net. Can't be too big, but oh, it goes again. A little bit of go on it. Ew! Oh, we know the schooler out there somewhere. Got a double hook up there. Let's see. Coming at now, all good. Oh, it's not bad size, dude. It's fucking, I thought it was, these are good size.
Yeah, don't drop it, man.
I won't drop it. Oh! Woo! It's fucking alright, man. It's 10-15 kilo one. It's not like a little one.
Clip it up there, man. Just clip it up and then face it towards it.
Yep.
No, just on this bar. Clip on that bar. No. Yeah, now swing it around.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, there you go. Yep, all good. Keep fighting it. Yep, perfect.
It's all happening.
Oh, it's a good size, man.
Autopilot on.
Had a bit of Ocean Alley going.
Dolphins
Chris,
around us.
Chris just had his like poo about 5 minutes ago off the edge of the boat.
Really not.
Oh, dolphin. He's going to take our fish. Nice. There we go. Fucking hell, it's hard. I seen it, man. It was bigger than I thought. Fucking decent size. Oh, move the net. I moved the net out. Fuck yeah. Yep, there it is. Oh, stop recording.
No, maybe. Yeah, it's on.
Oh, it's on?
Yeah, it blanks out. The screen blanks out after a
Oh,
while.
does it?
Save battery.
Okay. Oh! Oh, it's a dolphin underneath it. Fucking hell, there's a dolphin chasing it. Oh, maybe it's not. Maybe it's a dolphin I thought I saw. I thought it was huge. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. I can see it down there. Oh, yeah. It's not as I thought the dolphin was it before. That's why I thought it was so big. Still decent. Beautiful. Oh, he's having a crack at him. Oh, there we go. That's not bad. That's fucking 15 kilos. Easy. Nice. Nice. Beautiful. You beauty. Yeah. Look at that. Ready? Yep. Bring the tail right around to me. Yep. That's it.
And portrait ways.
Yeah. Oh, go back a bit. Yep. Yep. All right. Cool.
What about
Sweet.
now?
Huh?
Now move my hand as well. I had my hand up.
Yep. Ready? Yep. Yep. Now throw back. Yeah. Cool, man. That's like 30 photos then. So. Woo!
Thanks, bro.
No worries.
All
All
right.
right. We got him.
Let's go. Let's get back out there.
Yours.
Yeah, go, yours, bro.
All right, mate.
Yours, bro.
All right, mate. Let's go. Take off this skirt, don't they?
I'll put one on yours, man.
Oh, I had a hit on that.
no.
Oh, you're on.
Come on.
Yeah. Are we filming?
Yeah.
Nice.
Only little one.
Nice. Yeah, same one. Beautiful. Fun. Oh, this is fun.
Oh, this rod T-curve feels
You loving
so
it?
good.
You loving the T-curve?
Just such a nice light combo.
Yeah.
How you going?
Yeah, I'm alright. I'm not far off. You too.
Yeah, I'm just here. Do you want the net first, bro?
I'm probably about a minute away yet. Oh man. There he is. I've got one already. Fuck. This is a lot. God. How do you do this?
Here.
Do you need it as well? Rose had another run on him. Oh, that might do. Here you come. Yeah. It's all good. Alright. I had this guy beat, and then he's got another run.
Second win.
What's he doing? Gets his head down again. Oh, Jesus. It's like he's bigger than before. What's going on? What the hell? That's a shark. It's a dolphin grabbing.
No.
Nah.
But yeah, could be getting cake.
What? It came up so easily. There we go. He's ready. There we go. Oh, nice. Woo.
Oh, that's nice, man. The sun's perfectly in the back there. Move your hand down a bit if you can. Yeah, that's it.
Ready? Wait. Ready?
Beautiful.
Ready? I'm just steering back. Get
Yeah.
on. Ready? One. Let's take a photo.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Beautiful. All right. Oh,
Happy
good,
days,
mate.
yeah.
Yeah, man. Phew.
Over the legend.
You're the legend. You got to see it.
Dusky session.
Oh. Get the net ready, because last time I got him up close,
Yeah.
quick, and then he had another go at him, so you might be able to get him in straight away.
Alright. Now, mate, let's get the skid out. Nah, I don't think he wants to come in just yet, mate. I love the skirts.
They do?
Who doesn't love a good skirt, that way? That one's for the wifey.
Alright, put it close. Get that net, I reckon I might.
It's so too soon, bud.
You.
Another good fish. Another what, 13, 14 kilo?
They're all about the same, aren't they? Yeah, I really got him now. Alright, ready? Oh, that's bigger. Oh, fuck!
Take your time.
Alright, ready?
Nowhere near big enough, though. He's not ready.
Not ready. Ready? Yeah. Just hoping that knot holds because it's just nylon to nylon.
Don't look so good.
Oh, break up. Alright, we've got him now. Yep. Alright. Beautiful. Woo! Ah.
Oh.
Ready?
Beautiful, man. Yeah.
Wait. Ready?
Okay.
Beautiful.
What a
Nice.
way to end the day, brother.
Hey?
So we've just pulled up to our, what would you call it, mate? Our sleeping spot for the night, I guess.
Camping spot.
Two happy fishermen right here. What a great way to cap off an awesome
Two good
day.
days in a row.
Yeah, and we still got 2 days to go. So, but anyway, I just want to turn the camera around, wait till you see this. This is unreal. Absolutely epic. Look at these colours. Ew. Sunset, Mother Nature. Fish on!
We get snappers, bloody banana guys, tuners, you name it, they're all down here.
Check it out. We've got a little bit of company tonight over there, old mate.
Just need a Samson if I can top it off, don't we?
Well, that could be
Nice.
tomorrow's mission, I think. So, we're going to head out to a place that's about an hour's steam, pending weather, obviously, if it's good when we get up in the morning. Because we'll need a good 100 litres at least
Yeah.
to get there. But, yeah. Anyway, couple of beers, let's kick back, relax, put some tunes on.
Yeah.
See you guys tomorrow.
Sounds good.
All right, day 3 after night 2, and our intention is to go out wide to a new location. Haven't unfolded because, as you can see behind us, it's about 15 knots, 12 about metre, pretty rough, and where we're going was about an hour and 10 minutes that way. So we've only got about 160 litres of fuel left, so we made a call. We're still going to just fish the wider grounds out wide here. We'll go in closer today. We might chase some whiting, get us onto something's got a bit of weight to it. Zebrafish, the zebra.
Good thing. There you go.
Cool looking, eh?
Yeah.
So yeah, that's kind of the plan for today. Just punch out wide here for as long as we can. We're getting heaps of nannies, but yeah, catch and release pretty much because ice is, that's nice. Our ice is pretty much non-existent left in the esky, so really can't keep any fish. Probably maybe tonight, tomorrow we'll keep a few, take it straight back. It's one of the jobs I've got to do winter. New lithium batteries, 60 litre, dual zone, fridge freezer, mounted in here, hooked up to the solar, so that way when we're on board like this, mate, we've got cold drinks all the time, cold beers, but fish, as we catch them, we can fillet them, zippy tie bag, put them in there. So anyway, let's see how we go today. And we're going to do a little mission this afternoon, aren't we, mate? What's your plan with the tuna?
I'm going to try and get one on 10 pound line.
10 pound line.
No waste of time.
So what's this reel here, mate, you got?
3,000.
3,000 Sedona.
10 pound.
10 pound. What shock leader you got here? 20 pound shock leader.
Probably, yeah.
P1 rod. What's that rated to?
Oh, 3 to 6 kilo.
3 to 6 kilo.
Probably. If it's a heavier line, I'd be alright. About 20 pound, be alright.
So we're going to see if we can land one of these tuna on our light gear for a bit of shits and giggle this afternoon, mixing it up. Anyway, we'll probably do a few more drops out here, and then I reckon head in. Maybe try for some whiting, flatties, trevally.
Yeah. Sounds good to me.
All right.
Well,
anyway, a couple more drops out here, then we'll head in, I think.
Size. Grab that thing. Yeah. Where's your thing? Oh, it's there. Do you know how to press record on it?
Nah, it's already on.
Oh, sweet.
We got the hook up, baby. Yep, the muscles are getting sore.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? Pulling up a small nanny guy, I saw.
Could be a snapper. I put the squid head on.
Could be.
Feels a bit more snapper like.
Nanny. Big one. Big nanny. Ew.
So we've encountered a bit of a problem. We lost hydraulic steer on the port side. We were about 5 k's out. We've mowed it in with the electric. The electric's just about got flat as we've come into, just about is flat, coming into Wedge Island Bay. We were calling out on the UHF, not getting much luck, but anyway, look what's picked us up in tow. Just literally, just as we pulled up short, maybe a K out from the mooring. Have a look at this. This is what towing us. $1 million boat. All right, the boys are back on. Happy days, happy grounds. We got the hydraulics sorted. We got steer. More importantly, we're not spinning donuts or circles, mate, in one direction. So anyway, we've just fixed it. We came up, moored up. We got towed by that $1 million boat. That was epic.
It was.
And then old mate Ron, who lives on Wedge Island. Ron, what a champion you are, mate. Helped us out tremendously. Rode out there in his little inflatable and offered a hand. And anyway, we got the steering back on board, so we're just sticking in close at the moment. We've taken it for a bit of a test run, made sure it's turning to the port side, no probs, turning to starboard, no probs, so gave it a good run for about 10-15, and we thought while we're in close, we'll fish in close and
get Rockies.
And get Gareth's best mates.
Number 200.
Well, you just caught a good whiting. What was it, mate? 45?
Yeah.
45 if you don't mind. Where is it, bro?
Underneath in the corner, under that white bag.
We're running out of ice, so there it is. Look at that. Solid, thick York Peninsula whiting. 45. So yeah, happy days. Pulled pretty hard, good fight. So we're just going to fish here for a while. Cool backdrop. Chill, have a few beers, and then what?
Can we get some more tuna on light gear?
Tuna on light gear. 10-pound line, 6 kilo rods, not even. 3 kilo rods, half it. Out there somewhere.
Hold on.
Yeah, mate.
Nice.
Woo!
We're just about to go in.
We're just about to go in. The dolphins rocked up. They knew. The dolphins knew.
Oh god.
We're in closer this time too, eh?
Yeah.
Mate, are you under me?
Well, I don't know. I'm just going to pull it this way. Right.
I think you're under me. There you are. Yes, you are. No. Oh, hang on. Yeah. Come right over me. Yep. Now stop. Now go back under me. The tuna dance, baby.
Woo! See that? I can't. I've got my sunnies on still. I can't. Woo! Nice.
Just as we said, we're going in.
We're going in. Right? We're going in. Oh yeah. Oh man, this one's
Our dolphin friends. Our dolphins, they helped us in, man.
I think it's bang.
As soon as they came in, bang. We were literally like, activity was like increasing, wasn't it? There was bird action, dolphins.
Yep.
It was quiet there for an hour or so. Oh, that is huge. That is.
Have you got yours still?
Yeah, man.
Oh shit. Oh.
You all good?
Yeah. Fight yours for a bit. Yeah.
Tell me when you get back up to your leader.
Alright.
Mine's not as big as yours, eh?
Isn't it?
Nah. Doesn't feel it.
Might be though.
Yep, your leader.
Yep, I'm the leader now.
You pooped?
Yep, just about, I reckon.
Oh, mate, that's huge.
Oh no.
I can't even get it in the net.
Just wait, let go. No. Just wait, try and get the head in.
Is that big? We can't even fit in the net. We need a bigger net, Gareth.
Right.
That is a big one. That's 15 kilos.
Right. Yours still on there?
Yeah. I'll back my drag off. Teamwork, legends. It's all going on here.
We need a bigger net.
We do, mate. Unless you want to bring it up here. Bring it up there. Bring him up. Put him up. No,
Just make sure the head gets in right in. I'll try and slide it right in. It's about there now.
You! Sun's gone down. Dolphins in. Birds up. Gareth's on. That is a monster, man. Well, for here anyway, eh? I'm sure if you go to Portland or somewhere, they'll be like, ah, mate, that's a little baby.
Right now. Alright. Yep. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Fuck yeah.
Have a look at that, legends. Woo! That is a stonker.
Nice.
That is big,
Alright, let's
man.
get yours and I'll get a photo of this one.
Get a measure on that.
Ooh. Are we keeping or letting go?
Oh, there's a lot of meat on that.
Whew. That's my biggest one.
That's a horse, man. You. Oh yeah. Oh, that is a solid fish, eh?
Yep.
Oh, now Jigs is turn. Oh yeah. Give us a hand.
Yep, I'll just, you got yours in close?
Yep.
Just gonna measure mine quickly.
I want us to get us both, see if we can both get on video together.
Yep. It's just over a metre. Metre 5, metre 2, metre 5.
That's
just over
massive,
a metre.
man.
Alright.
I'll hold them off. There's the swivel.
wire. Oh, it's on again. This net's so bent right now. Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah, I've got a big net.
Yep.
What a good pole to have.
Yeah, a bigger net.
I take it back, mate. I think this one's not maybe as big.
Still, it's close. It's only just under of mine. Isn't it? It's very close.
Yeah!
Oh, fuck. Hang on. It's nearly bent there.
Hang on.
This one was bigger net than this. Stuck in there. It's really snapping. Alright, it's in. Grab the bottom of it. That is. Alright. Hey! It's the same size! Well done, mate! Couple of metre tuners.
Woo! Yeah,
Yes!
boys. Couple of metre tuners.
Woo! Worth
Yeah,
it,
buddy.
wasn't it?
Yeah.
No wonder why we didn't land. Had any chance on 10-pound line.
Woo! Beautiful fish. Filling them up. Go home to love us. There we go. Oh, we're pooped. We're stuffed. What a session, bro.
What a weekend.
Woo!
Stories of this weekend, isn't it?
Let's go back, clean them up, eh?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right.